In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products on Shopify. Adding related products is a great way to increase your average order value and help customers discover more of what they might like. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step using Shopify's search and discovery app, so you can control exactly which products appear as recommendations on your product pages. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main navigation menu. Look for the section that lists your installed apps and find the app called Search and Discovery. Go ahead and click on that. Once it opens, look for the area labeled Recommendations and click it. This is where you manage which products are suggested to customers as they browse your store. You'll now see a list of your products. From here, choose the specific product you want to add related product recommendations to. This might be one of your best sellers, a new launch, or anything you'd like to promote more. Click on that product to open its settings within the app. On the product's recommendation page, scroll down until you find the option that says Edit Related Products. This is where you'll control exactly which items appear as You May Also Like or similar sections on your storefront. Click the Browse button. A window will open with your product catalog. Take a moment to select the products you want to recommend alongside this main product. It's usually a good idea to choose items that complement each other, such as matching accessories or similar styles. When you're happy with your selection, click Add to confirm your choices. Shopify will often auto-generate recommendations based on customer behavior and product data. If you want to use only the specific products you selected and prevent Shopify from adding its own suggestions, look for the option labeled Hide Auto-Generated Recommendations. Check the box next to this option. That way, only your chosen related products will appear on the product page. Once everything looks good, click Save. This step is important to make sure your changes are applied to your store. Finally, to confirm everything worked, go back to your online store from the Shopify admin and open the product page you just edited. Scroll down the page, and you should now see the related products you selected displayed there. If you need to adjust them, you can return to the Search and Discovery app and repeat these steps until the recommendations are exactly how you want them.